Assessment 3.1 asks us to give the Lewis dot structure for the oxygen atom. For this, we're going to start by using the elemental symbol for oxygen and then place the valence electrons around it. If we notice that oxygen is in group 16 of the periodic table, that implies that oxygen will have 6 valence electrons. We'll fill those by putting 1 on each side first. 1, 2, 3, 4. And only when we need to place the next 2 do we pair electrons. Put an electron there and an electron there. We've placed 6 valence electrons on oxygen, and what we realize from this Lewis dot structure is that oxygen has 2 open spaces for forming bonds, and so it makes sense that oxygen will most often form 2 covalent bonds, as it does in the case of water.